Hello all, my name is Leena, Kanickaraj, Client Manager, Sales and Marketing with more than 12 years of experience. And I'm here with Saket, Kumar, Mishra, analyst with the ARC Advisory Group. I'm happy to learn that Saket has just completed 5 Flowmeter studies. The Flowmeters reports comprises of 4 individual reports and a consolidated total flow meter. Today we will discuss the scope of the reports, the trends, the inhibitors, the leading suppliers, and how Flowmeter reports will be beneficial to the clients. Saket, can you please mention what are the 5 reports you have completed, and can you elaborate on scope of these Flowmeter reports?
Yeah, sure, Leena. Thank you for the question. I have completed 5 Flowmeters report, that is Coriolis, magnetic, ultrasonic, vortex flowmeters, and roll-off flowmeters, which includes Coriolis, magnetic, ultrasonic, and vortex flowmeters. This market analysis report presents a comprehensive overview of the global flowmeters market with a specific focus on Coriolis, magnetic, ultrasonic, vortex flowmeters, and roll-off flowmeters technologies used across various industries. Each of these 5 reports offers insight into market size, growth projections, regional dynamics, flowmeter types, transmission methods, and the measure medium. Yeah.
Thanks, Saket, for elaborating the scope. I would like to know what are the benefits of doing this 5 individual flowmeter reports and the advantages of all the 4 technologies covered like Coriolis, magnetic, ultrasonic, and vortex flowmeters.
Sure, Leena. It's a good question. The benefits of doing 5 individual flowmeter reports is to provide in-depth insights and analysis for each technology, allowing stakeholders to understand the unique features, applications, and market dynamics of Coriolis, magnetic, ultrasonic, vortex, and roll-off flowmeters separately. And if we talk about the advantages, Coriolis flowmeters is high in accuracy, suitable for various fluids, excellent for mass flowmeters. Talking about magnetic flowmeters is non-intrusive, have low maintenance, ideal for conductive fluids and large pipe size. If we are talking about the ultrasonic flowmeters, it is versatile, non-invasive, good for clean and dirty fluids, minimal pressure drop. And lastly, if you are talking about the vortex flowmeters, it is robust in nature, suitable for high temperature and high pressure applications, and reliable in harsh conditions. Yeah, so these are.
Thanks, Saket, for briefing the unique features, applications, and the market dynamics of all the 5 kilometers. What is the supplier landscape for this market?
Yeah, sure. So when considering the supplier landscape for flowmeters, we find several key players that stand out in this competitive market. Leading the pack are industry giants like Siemens, Indus, Yokogawa, Immersion Automation Solutions, ABB, and Kone. These companies have firmly established themselves as leaders not only in terms of market share but also in their global reach. Yeah.
Thanks, Saket. What is the key growth or success factors of Flowmeter reports?
Yeah, sure. So flowmeters are experiencing growth driven by several key factors like digital transformation and automations. Means the integration of flowmeters into IoT and automation systems enable real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote control, driving informed decision making and process optimizations. Other key growth factors are like increased implementation of multi-variable flowmeters, rise in demand for custody transfer, and demand in emerging economies. Yeah.
Excellent, Saket. To know that the implementation of multi-variable flowmeters are the key growth of this market analysis report. Is there any growth inhibiting factors?
Yeah, sure. Despite their potential for growth, Flowmeters technology face various innovating factors. One significant challenge is the high initial cost associated with purchasing and installing these systems, particularly for specialized or advanced variants. Other innovating factors are like intense competition among float technology, global economic environment, and supply chain disruption. Yeah. So these are the innovating factors.
Oh, great, Saket, to know that the high initial cost and installation of these systems are the major inhibiting factors. Based on the above response, what strategies would you recommend to a buyer of the system?
Certainly, there are some strategy I would recommend to a buyer. First is like access application needs, means evaluate your specific application and fluid characteristics to determine the suitable flow meter type. Second, I would say supplier information. Request detailed supplier information regarding accuracy, compatibility, and installation ease. Other buyer strategies are like use industrial IoT to address skill gap, scalability and integration, and leverage smart sensors and field devices. Yeah, so these are the strategies.
Nice, Saket, recommending to evaluate their specific application to be one of the strategies you recommend to the buyers. Is there any other key trends or points you would like to share with the audience?
Yeah, certainly. There are few key trends like the integration of flow meters with digital platform and IoT is rapidly transforming how data is collected and utilized for real-time decision making, enhancing process efficiency. Other trends like Ethernet APL, advancements in materials and sensor technologies. Yeah, so these are the other key trends.
Thanks for sharing the key trends on with all the above trends. How can buyers of this study benefit, like a supplier or asset owner or service provider, if they are keen to buy these reports? What would be the benefit for them to purchase these reports?
Yeah, so all the five reports, that is Coriolis, magnetic, ultrasonic, uh, Vortex, and roll-up flow meters, provide valuable insights to suppliers, asset owners, and service providers in the flow meter industry. Suppliers can fine-tune with their strategies, asset owners can optimize their operations, and service provider can expand their offerings and expertise, ultimately leading to improved efficiency, cost savings, and competitive advantage in the market. Yeah, these are the benefits that the buyers can get if they want to buy these studies.
Thanks, Saket. It was an excellent response for the queries on all the 5 kilometer reports. And I'm sure ARC will offer a package deal for the clients who will be interested to buy all the 5 kilometer reports with attractive offer financially and technically. I'm sure audience will be benefited by buying all the 5 kilometer reports. Audience can feel free to reach out to us by visiting our website through the link given in the description. You can also fill in the contact info on our website to have in-depth conversation more about how the market analysis report like this can help you and your company. Once again, thanks, Saket, for your time, and thanks to the audience. It was a great discussion.
If you like what you saw in this video and want more informative content, be sure to like, comment, and hit the notification bell below. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again, folks. We really appreciate the time, and we'll see you in the next video.